In light of important construction work on the Umshyrpi Bridge in Shillong, the East Khasi Hills District Police has issued a traffic advisory to ensure public safety and smooth traffic flow. From the 12th to the 15th of June 2025, vehicular movement on the Umshyrpi Bridge will be restricted from 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. daily. This restriction is necessary due to ongoing construction activities on the bridge. To manage the traffic effectively, diversion routes have been put in place for vehicles coming from Upper Shillong towards the Umshyrpi Bridge, especially near MES Point. The diversion will begin at 5th Mile, Upper Shillong. Traffic will be rerouted through Pomlakrai, Laitkor, Madanrting, Laitumkhrah, and beyond. For vehicles coming from Lumdiengjri or Old Cherra heading towards Upper Shillong via the bridge, they must take the alternative route through Laitumkhrah, Madanrting, Laitkor, Pomlakrai, 5th Mile, and then continue onward. However, please note, emergency service vehicles will be allowed to operate normally and will be facilitated accordingly. The East Khasi Hills Police deeply regrets the inconvenience caused to the public and requests everyone to cooperate during this temporary diversion period. This official notice was issued by Superintendent of Police, Vivek Syiem, IPS, on the 11th of June 2025. Your cooperation ensures both safety and progress. Thank you for your attention. Please share this message to help others stay informed.